I'm Mark Timmerman. I'm with the Corpus Christi Family Martial Arts Academy. I wanted to show some of the procedures and protocols that we're using for safety for you to be able to train with us. I wanted you to know that we're doing our Zoom classes as well as here in the dojo. We are social distancing, we are sanitizing. We're going to be going through that in this short little clip. Right here we have our Zoom classes, so the instructor can stand right back here and teach the class. If you notice that we have here these black squares, so this way each student can stand in one of those. That is a 6'3" by 6. It's a 6 foot by 6 foot square of which they can train in. I wanted to show you some of the cleaning equipment that we have to sanitize this place. We use hospital grade chemical that will absolutely kill the coronavirus. The EPA has put that out, that this is what to use. So I wanted to show you this little thing. This is a fogger, and this allows us to saturate the area and absolutely cover everything that we use with a spray. As you can clearly see, that chemicals, if you're going to use that to try to kill something like that, you need to have a complete saturation that sits there long enough for it to be able to be effective. And so that's why we use this type of equipment and not just rubbing something down. Plus this gets a lot of surface. So why don't you come on over here and show what we have. This also here is an ozone generator. This produces an O3 that grabs onto any molecule, bacteria, mold, virus, anything. It grabs that molecule and then creates it and makes it completely unstable. This will sanitize the air, gets rid of aerosol. It goes up into the ventilation systems. So this way it goes up underneath the things that the surface cleaning cannot do. So let's go over here to our sanitation area. When you come into our school, we want you to come over here, of course, sanitize when you come in, and if we need to, we also have for like our campers, we make sure that we do their temperatures. So when you come into our studio, of course, we do our social distancing. When we're on the mat, we wear our mask when we're in this area here, and once you're able to social distance, then you can spread out more. We want you to wear your uniforms. Visitors, if you could, parents, please stay outside if you're familiar with us. This way we don't have too many in here. We have a reservation system to make sure that we have no more than 12 students per class. And also we sanitize in between classes. We want to sanitize when you're here, and it is our commitment to safety. Now right here, if you come into our school and you don't have a mask, we have some here that are provided. And if you come outside right here, all right, it says right here, masks must be worn in the lobby. So we want to make sure that in this little confined area that everyone is passing with their mask. And we have masks, of course, right here if you need them. Thank you very much. And we have other safety things that we do, but those are the main things to let you know we are sanitizing and we have professional equipment to ensure your safety. I want you to come in. I want you to train with us. If you're not comfortable with that, please come and do our Zoom classes. All right, we have our schedules online. Go to our website, and on our blog it has our schedules. Please call us if you need us, and we're here for you. And just on a personal note, we're all about you being able to protect yourself, and we're not going to bring you in here to get sick. So we're absolutely here to protect you and have you train, and this is the time to train. When things are stressful like this, you need an outlet. We're here. We're doing it safe. Please come in and train with us. Thank you.